So, good faith agreement. Petit meddwl hynny?
Yeah. So, yeah, when I read this yesterday, I had to read it a few times,
Oh
and I
yeah.
still have to read it a few times. So, um, for me, the reason why I guess, had to read it a few times is that, um, it's about being challenged, isn't it? It's about being, it's about being in a situation where something comes up, yeah, that's offensive or ill-considered or inappropriate.
That's like sometimes people will say things, although especially in emails, like in Utopia's Bath, we decided as soon as anything becomes a little bit tricky, we won't use emails or messages. We have to do it face to face because of this. Like you might just put a word in an email and it just goes ballistic for
Hmm.
someone. But it's like trying to go, oh, remembering we've got this good faith agreement is that, oh, I still remember that they've got the project's integrity at heart, or that it's something about that. It's like,
Yeah, I feel much more comfortable, much sort of like really like the kind of the conclusion of that section in the sense that it's like, okay, that's how we're working towards actually to not make the assumption the other way, but it's actually an unintentional slight or difference, and they
yeah,
are engaging in good faith. So I think that for me, that feels a lot easier um to kind of be part of.